are back, this time with a new product. This is going to be for our Bosh 82mm drive-by-wire throttle body adapter. This can be used for adapting a Vibrant HD clamp, 3-inch HD clamp to your Bosh 82mm. So the first thing you're going to do with our kit is drill out the throttle body. We run a proprietary 7x1 stainless hardware just to give the throttle body a little bit more strength. OEM runs a 8mm and the 6mm that Bosch uses for their Lamborghini and Porsche throttle bodies. We just didn't feel it was sufficient for some of the higher horsepower applications that we build for. So the first thing you'll do is drill out the throttle body to a 5/16, and then next thing will be to put the O-rings onto the throttle body nose. You'll see like a little indentation there, and it comes with the 2 O-rings. Slide those on the throttle body, lube up your adapter a little bit, then you slide the adapter over. I like to line the holes up best I can before I press those on. Just makes life a little bit easier when it comes to poking the bolts in. And then you grab the bolts that come with the kit and you slide those in there just to make sure everything's indexed right. And you can go ahead and thread it onto your manifold, which, because this runs 7mm, you'll either have to have a Mazworx manifold or Mazworx throttle body flange, which are options on the website when you go to buy one of these. And then after that, you're all set. Then you can take your HD clamp and clamp it onto your throttle body adapter and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching.
We're gonna put a pucker cam on Mo.